In today's video, I'll be making this snack called peanut candy, also known as sisipelebe in Nigeria. This is one of the snacks I enjoyed a lot when growing up. We'll be needing roasted peanuts for this recipe. I'll go ahead to crush these peanuts into flakes. I'm using a cup of peanuts. This is what I got after using my pestle to crush the peanuts. You can also use your blender to crush these into flakes. Now set a pot or pan on fire, allow this to dry, then add a cup of sugar. Gently stir the sugar on the pan till it starts melting. When the sugar is almost totally melted, add in a teaspoon of butter or margarine. This is optional, this is just to give it a buttery taste. Allow your sugar melt properly and make sure it gets to this caramel color stage. Now, pour in the crunched peanut into the melted sugar. Gently fold this in and make sure they are both well combined. While this is ongoing, make sure your stove or gas is turned to low heat so that the sugar does not burn. If the sugar gets burnt, your candy is going to taste bitter. So make sure your stove or your gas is on low heat. Now that this is well combined, you'll be needing a parchment paper. While it's hot, transfer this into a parchment paper. You need to be fast about this because you don't want the candy to get cold, so you have to do this while it's still hot. After transferring this into a parchment paper while it's hot, use your spatula to just spread it across on the parchment paper. Do this fast so that your candy does not get cold. When it gets cold, it becomes hard. You can see the surface is rough. If you don't want the surface to be rough, if you want it to be smooth, you can place another parchment paper on it and use a rolling pin to just press it down. This will give it a smooth surface and not a rough surface. While it's still hot, use your pizza cutter to cut this into your desired size and shape. I want you to note that this candy gets cool very fast, so whatever you want to do, make sure you do it fast. So within 3 minutes, this has gotten hard and crunchy. Now you take it off from the parchment paper as I am doing here, and your peanut candy is ready. This candy is very tasty. I would like you to try it and let me know the feedback in the comment section. So this is all I got from 1 cup of peanut. Now the next thing to do is to store this in an airtight container so that you can retain the crunchiness of the candy. This can last you weeks and even a month if you store it properly in an airtight container. I hope you'll be trying this candy. Please try it. You would enjoy it, I promise. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Till I come your way next time, stay safe. Bye.